Meaning of fountain.
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 Fountain. A fountain is a decorative structure that shoots water into the air, often found in public parks, gardens, or plazas. Fountains can take various forms, such as sculptures, bowls, cascades, or jets. They have been used for aesthetic or practical purposes for thousands of years, with ancient civilizations building fountains for religious rituals, bathing, or drinking water. Today, fountains are still popular as an artistic expression, outdoor ornamentation, and even as a way to cool down hot climates. They provide a serene or lively ambience and attract people to gather around or photograph them.